Before we continue, let's fix a couple of things. On our toolbar, I left the wrong title. There's a typo here, it should be heartbeat. And then you can tell here we're implementing a V spacer, but there's no such space here. And the console here for the browser is actually letting me know that V spacer is an unknown element. And that's because that vSpacer tag is defined inside of the vGrid. Okay, so we'll wait for Webpack, and there it is. We fixed now our toolbar. Cool. So let's continue working on our list for the remotes. And what we want to do now is we want to implement our custom remotes list component, right? And for that, what we will do is we will create a new folder called components under source, and then we will create the remotes list.vue file, since we're using single file components, and all those have a template tag and also a script tag. Awesome. Let's now implement what a remote list would look like, and this is going to be a vlist and toLine with a v subheader. Okay, and in here we want to have our remote, which is also going to be custom component, and we have to create it now. Remote.view template and script. So here, everything that goes inside of a list, a vlist, is going to be a vlist tile. So in this case, we want to have some spacing on the left. There's gonna be an avatar and content. For now, let's leave it at that. And then let's say this is going to be a remote content. So we have our files defined, but now we need to register each component accordingly. So in order to use the remote, we need to import it. HB remote from remote.view. Import and register it. Same thing for the list. Cool. So in here you can see now that we have our remotes list component with a remote inside of it. Let's go and see our terminal here where it says it can't find either v subheader nor v avatar. So let's fix that next.